Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Ilyas, and welcome to your, hold on, 35? Yeah, 35th tutorial. So, in the previous tutorial, we did a good job programming this filter. So, I can already click on architecture, and I only have pictures related to the topic architecture on the screen, and city and nature and stuff. So, and it took only a few number of lines of code in jQuery, which is actually a very powerful thing. So, but now what we want to have, we want to have something over here like all or something, so that we just go back to the previous state where we have all the pictures listed on the screen. And we also want to give the user a feedback to highlight the current category, for instance. So this is something that we are going to do. And first, I want to style this list because I don't like the way it appears on the screen, and I want the screen to be styled horizontally because now it's vertical, and I don't like the way, and I don't like these bullets as well. So let's just go ahead to our style CSS document and add a new rule for the filter. So filter, I'll give you some more space, and filter, not fighter, filter li, and let's say display inline. And now this should be displayed inline, and the bullets, yes, they gone. So that looks better to my mind because I don't know, I just like it more. So, and we also want to have a new rule for the current state for the active category, which we can go like filter li dot active, because we will set a class of active to the current category. So let's just go ahead back to the filter, to the JavaScript, and every time we fetch a category, we want this element to get active right now. So let's just go ahead and say this, and if you don't remember what this means, this is the current element which is clicked. This set class, I hope it's set class, not add class. Well, we'll figure it out. Set class category. I think it's add class, but okay, let's see. Let's just say add class. Add class category. And now we can test if it gets a class of category. I'll just go to the developer tools and I click the thing. Yes, and it gets the class of nature. Oh, I'm sorry. I applied the class of category, but I should have applied the class of active. Yep, like this. So now we can highlight the class, the active class already, and it gets the class of active. So we created a CSS rule for active, and let's just go ahead and change its font, no, text decoration to underline. So let's just go ahead and test it, and so let's see what's going to happen. I click nature, and it's kind of highlighted by this underline, but there is also a problem at the same time. When I click nature, when I click city or architecture, all these elements get the class active. So we have 3 elements of active, and only 1 element can be active. So that means that we have to get rid of the class active at all elements before we continue. So let's just go ahead and get this filter, and let's perform this operation, perform this function, remove class to all the list elements before we add class active. Remove class active. So now I removed class active, and then I apply the class active only to the current element, and now we can go ahead and test it. So I click nature, and it's only nature active, and I click city, and the nature loses its class active in our architecture. So this is the way we can switch between the categories. So there was one more feature, and there are also going to be some more cool features and stuff. And so this is for the tutorial because the time is up. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I hope you guys like this tutorial and then you'll learn lots of cool stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next